Guys, ever wanted to see your favorite song come alive on screen? This tool is revolutionizing music video creation. I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today, we're breaking down Freebeat AI. It's the world's first video agent that lets you turn any song into a ready-to-share music clip in just one click. I'll walk you through exactly how it works. We'll start by uploading a track, then generate visuals with the agent, customize characters and styles, and finally export the finished video. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's jump right in. Friends, Freebeat is an AI-powered tool designed to transform sound into visuals automatically. With just one click, it builds a complete video project from your audio. We're on the home screen now, so let's jump into the dashboard and see what's under the hood. Inside agent mode, there are a few ways to create clips, or styles as the platform calls them. First up is singing, where a virtual character lip-syncs to your song like a real performer. Then there's storytelling, perfect for cinematic videos that focus on mood and narrative, not just the singer. And finally, automatic, the easiest option. You just upload your music and the AI decides how to visualize it. Folks, today we're going to try something really cool. First, we click Automatic, and the main workspace pops up. Right away you can see how intuitive it is. But let's take a closer look at what's happening on the screen. At the top there's a text field where we can describe the mood or vibe we want. For example, we might type a sunny beach, and the AI immediately starts expanding and refining that idea for us. Then just below that, we can add extra styles, which lets automatic agent mode create a fully finished video with almost no effort. Next, guys, comes the most important step – add music. We need audio because without it, there's no magic. While we could pick a trending track, let's upload our own instead. You can do this by clicking Add Music or by pasting a link from Suno, YouTube, SoundCloud, or other platforms. For example, I'll upload my track from Suno. Right after that, the AI automatically decodes the rhythm, extracts the lyrics, and analyzes the song overall. And once it's loaded, auto mode kicks in, and the agent takes over to start creating the video. In this mode, friends, it handles all the technical stuff for you. It picks the characters, sets the visual style, and handles camera cuts automatically, so you don't have to build scenes yourself. It's perfect if you want fast, high-quality results with minimal effort. All that's left is to click Create in the bottom right corner. Then the agent gets to work, syncing visuals to the beat, adding camera movement, and editing everything into a finished music video. Automatic mode is quick and super convenient. But here's where the real fun begins. When you take control, you can manually add characters from a huge library, describe them in detail, or just pick one you like. For example, I could select this character and start shaping the look exactly how I want it. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Then, mates, there's the video format. You can optimize it for YouTube, TikTok, or any platform, choose the resolution, and open the style menu. Here you set the visual tone, from realistic cinema to Japanese anime or even clay animation. You're not just telling the AI to make it look good, you're defining the rules for your whole project. For example, we can pick a photorealistic style here. Then there's the captions feature. With just one click, the agent recognizes your lyrics and creates dynamic subtitles perfectly in sync with the beat. This alone, guys, saves hours of manual editing, where you'd normally have to match text to sound by hand. Once everything's ready, we click Create and watch the agent get to work. It breaks the process into stages, builds a character Bible, and creates images for every scene. That's Freebeat AI turning music into visuals, faster than ever. Now the AI is adding video segments it generated from the photos we made earlier. Next, it's merging everything to put the full clip together. Once that's done, we get a little notification, and it's ready. Let's check it out, folks! And here it is, a beautiful 10-second clip perfectly synced to our audio, featuring the character we picked at the start. Yes, there are some hallucinations in the video, but they can be easily fixed with another prompt. I can also edit the lyrics, add captions or tweak their style, and keep refining the song or video if needed. If I want to create a new track, I can do it in the new chat or keep fine-tuning right here. And just like that, in about 5 minutes, we've got a complete music video. Alright folks, that's a wrap. What really impressed me here is how Freebeat AI bridges the gap between imagination and execution. You can go fully automatic and get a polished result in minutes. Or you can take control and shape every detail, from characters and styles to beat-synced lyrics and camera movement. You are the director, your music is the script, and Freebeat brings it to life. If you want to generate an AI music video of your own, head over to freebeat.ai. I have dropped my link in the description, and you can use it to get 10% off the Pro membership. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time!